So I'm here today to fix the night latch on the door. Apparently it's been repaired multiple times. Now we're just going to change it today. So the door is just not closing properly. You need to do a good push. And then sometimes this is loose and it drops apparently. It's been tightened up a few times, so we're just going to change it out today. Put a new one on. And it still comes open. You've got to really push on the door to get it to go. Taking it all out. Temporary lock fitted just to see if it works. Door's now closing. And opening. Just got to put it back together again. All fitted nicely. And the door just closing. It closes automatically now. I need to push it. That's the door closing from the outside. Just now going to try it with the key. There we go. All right, all done.